This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Romulus. Stupendous chance to assume VA fixed rate loan minus 2.25% rate, 27 years left and $1,130.87 monthly payment. Spectacular opportunity for low maintenance living in Harbor Walk at East Beach, one of the most beautiful, well-maintained, convenient and dog-friendly communities. Ground floor, single-level corner unit condo west/lots of windows that make it light and airy. Efficient kitchen west/granite, GE appliances, bar and dining area west/LG window. Additional space for another sleeping area/office/study, crown molding and tray ceiling in primary bedroom. Plenty of time to enjoy the waterfront clubhouse and pool, exercise room, marina, kayak launch, trails and water sports located across the street with visitor parking. Huge bonus: you are near East Beach, Chic Beach, restaurants, bases, breweries, airport, AJU, NSU, EVMS and I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Romulus at 757-749-7372.